Meanwhile, the government sees the continued growth of the country's agriculture sector. The Department of Agriculture is encouraging farmers to utilize soil health mapping and organic farming. Ara Perez reports.
Slowly but surely. This was how the Department of Agriculture described the growth of the local agriculture sector. Data from the Philippine Statistics Authority showed that agricultural growth in the country hit 1.78% during the first quarter of the year, equivalent to 380.1 billion pesos. Meals will not be complete without rice. There is no doubt that this is the Filipinos' agricultural product. The Department of Agriculture does not stop here as it continues to improve not only palay production but also livestock and poultry.
Para po masustain natin, yung pong interventions natin ay tuloy-tuloy. Hindi po ito nakapokus sa rice lamang, pati po yung livestock na naghigit po sa atin. Actually, if ever tayo po ay bubuelasin at totoong hindi po magiging masyadong mahaba yung tagtuyot, we might as well hit another record year sa palay production sa ating bansa.
2015 was declared as the Year of the Soil, as the agency admits that it will take a while for the country's land resources to be utilized at its fullest. The agency then urged Filipinos to help in providing for healthier soils. Farmers are encouraged to utilize soil health mapping and organic farming. Alcala is optimistic that the vigor in the dialogue of the agency and the farmers will be sustained to keep the agriculture industry alive.
This is the first time na yung mga magsasakang malinis ay nakakapag-interact ng diretso po sa kagawaran through the Secretary. Personally, kasama po ang ating pong minamahal na senadora ay pumupunta po kami at nakikipag-usap sa mga magsasaka. And I think this is the first time in the history of the country na ang committee chairperson, ang secretary, na diretso nakikipag-usap sa magsasaka, inaalam yung kanilang mga problema so that we can provide the proper policies na kailangan po para sa kanila.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.